Hi, my name is Ryan Eldred. I'm an immigration attorney practicing in Sacramento, California. You might have heard recently that on January 21st, 2025, the federal government expanded the use of expedited removal proceedings. Those are removal proceedings or deportation proceedings in which the person who is subject to them is not entitled to appear before an immigration judge. That means that you can go through deportation proceedings from the United States much faster than you normally would. Typically, only persons who are near the border, so within 14 days of entry into the United States and within 100 miles of the US border, are subject to these proceedings, but now it's been expanded to anyone in the United States who can't prove that they've been here for at least 2 years. So who's subject to it? Those persons who have been here less than 2 years. So if you're currently undocumented and you're not in removal proceedings already, and you've been in the United States less than 2 years, you may be subject to expedited removal proceedings, regardless of where you are in the United States. Now, that doesn't mean that you don't have rights. You still have the constitutional protections that anyone else in this country has. If, for example, ICE were to ask you questions, you can refuse to answer those questions. If ICE knocks on your door, you can refuse to answer that door. And you, of course, have the right to speak to an attorney. So if you have an attorney, contact them as soon as you're able. Also, if you're placed into removal proceedings that are expedited, that doesn't mean that you can't post bond. So you may have the opportunity to post bond, and at that point you can seek relief. Lastly, during the process of expedited removal proceedings, you also have the opportunity to seek asylum or to explain that you fear returning to your home country. If that's applicable to you, if you fear returning to your home country, please make that clear to the ICE officers at every stage of the process so that they understand that you wish to pursue that as a form of relief.